we got an iPhone 11. The screen's busted up and the left side's not working. Unscrew and open it up. And we have a booby trap. To get to the battery, I have to get around the cable. There's a bunch of memes online about this phone. It's like, Apple, how many screws did you put? And then in the meme, it's just like, Apple's just like, yes. This phone definitely looks like the XR though. Take off the old screen. Now, our new screen's already original and it already has a backplate, so we're good. Just test out our new screen. So what makes this phone more waterproof? It has deeper grooves for the screen, the charging port, speaker, and microphone are more insulated, and the SIM card tray is far away from the motherboard, so if water does go inside, it won't touch the board. We're almost done the repair, we turn it back on, everything's working well. Now that I closed it up, I have a bit of a confession to make. That was my first time fixing the iPhone 11. How'd I do? Seal, test it out, and we're done. Thank you guys for watching.
Oh my